Have you ever imagined a fruit that does more than just taste good? Introducing Nutri-Avocado, a genetically modified avocado made to be one of the most nutritious fruit ever developed. While ordinary avocados are already healthy, Nutri-Avocado goes a step further by packing even more essential nutrients into every bite. It's designed to fight a common problem like poor immunity, lack of protein, and iron deficiency, making it a perfect fruit for modern health and needs.
Nutri-Avocado TM was developed by inserting genes from highly nutritious plants like spinach, carrots, guava, and sunflower seeds into the DNA of a regular avocado. These plants were chosen because they are neutrally rich in iron, vitamin A, vitamin C, protein, and antioxidants. Through careful genetic modification, scientists were able to enhance the avocado's nutritional content while keeping its familiar creamy texture and great taste.
Nutrition benefits. This super avocado is packed within expressive nutrition. Each 100 gram serving contains around 5 grams of protein, 950 IQ, of vitamins A, 18 milligrams of vitamin C, and 3 milligrams of iron, all higher than what found in regular avocado. Is also include more fiber, potassium, and antioxidants, helping to improve the energy distribution of overall cell health. Nutri-Avocado does just fill your stomach. It helps fuel our body more efficiently.
And who can benefit? Nutritious avocado was designed to support the health of many people. Pregnant women can benefit from its high iron and vitamin A. Children and students get boost in brain development and immunity. Athletes and fitness lover gains from its increased protein content. And even older adults can enjoy its support for heart and eye health. It's a single fruit that meets the nutrition needs of multiple groups.
Even though Nutri-Avocado brings many health benefits, it is still considered consumer awareness, proper regulation, and food safety. Some may worry about the GMOs, but when used responsibly, they can solve our real health problems with clear labeling and education. Nutri-Avocado could become a powerful tool in the fight against malnutrition and nutrient deficiency. It's not just an avocado, it's a smarter, stronger, and nourishing version of fruit we already love.